Study smart, because the world understands those who speak well. Study smart, because the world understands those who speak well.
Hello, and welcome back to the podcast. I'm so glad you're here with me again. If this is your first time listening, welcome to Study Smart. We help beginners learn English in a fun, simple way. In episode 1, we talked about how to start learning English and how to stay motivated. Today, in episode 2, we're going deeper. We'll talk about how you can practice English every day, even if you have a busy life. Because let's be honest, most people don't have hours to study. But guess what? You don't need hours. You just need a few minutes every day and the right method. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why daily practice is so important. You don't need to study English for 3 hours every day. But doing a little bit every day helps your brain remember better. It's like going to the gym. If you go one day for 5 hours, it's too much. But if you go 20 minutes a day, every day, you get strong. It's the same with English. 5 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week. Also, daily practice helps you stay connected. When you hear or use English every day, it becomes part of your life. Your brain gets used to the sounds, the rhythm, the words. Even if you are just listening to a podcast while cooking, it helps. Now let's talk about how to build your daily English routine. I'll give you a simple plan. You can follow this every day. Step 1. Listen to English 5 minutes. Start your day by listening to English. It can be this podcast. It can be a short YouTube video. It can be a song in English. Even 5 minutes in the morning helps your brain start in English. Step 2. Learn 5 new words, 5 to 10 minutes. Get a notebook or app and write down 5 new English words. For example, coat, water, friend, tired. Now, make a sentence with each word. I drink coffee every morning. I work from home. Simple, right? Step 3. Repeat common phrases, 3 to 5 minutes. Now say some basic phrases out loud. How are you today? I'm doing fine. Can I help you? What time is it? Repeat each one 3 times. Say them slowly, then faster. This helps with pronunciation and fluency. Step 4. One conversation or message, 5 minutes. Try to speak or write in English to someone. Maybe text a friend who is also learning. Or speak to yourself in the mirror. Say something like, "Hi, my name is Anna. I'm from Brazil. I like to listen to music." It doesn't have to be long. The important thing is to practice speaking. Step 5. Review, 5 minutes at night. At night, look at your notebook. Review your 5 words. Repeat your phrases. This helps you remember better the next day. That's it. This full routine takes around 20 to 25 minutes. But if you only have 10 minutes, just do steps 1 and 2. Make it work for your life. Now, let's talk about fun ways to practice English without a book. Watch shows with subtitles. Watch a show or movie in English. Start with English subtitles. Later, try turning them off. This helps you learn real conversation. Use your phone in English. Change the language on your phone to English. It's a great way to learn words you use every day like settings, battery, Wi-Fi, camera, messages. Sing in English. Choose an English song you like. Read the lyrics. Sing along. You will improve pronunciation and have fun. Talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself. When you're walking, cooking, or in the shower, say things like, I am going to the kitchen now. Where is my phone? I like this music. It sounds silly, but it works. Play language games. Download fun English games. Word puzzles, memory games, or vocabulary apps can help you learn without stress. Now let's be real. Some days you feel tired. Some days you don't want to practice. That's okay. It happens to everyone. But how can you stay consistent? Make it a habit. Practice English at the same time every day. In the morning with your coffee. In the car on your way to work. Before you go to sleep. A habit is easier to keep when it's part of your daily routine. Track your progress. Use a calendar. Mark an X every day you practice. Try to keep your streak. Seeing your progress motivates you to keep going. Reward yourself. If you practice English 5 days in a row, give yourself a treat. Watch your favorite movie. Eat your favorite snack. Celebrate your small wins. Don't be too hard on yourself. If you miss a day, it's okay. Just continue the next day. Progress is not about being perfect. It's about not giving up. So, let's remember what we learned today. Daily English practice is powerful. You can learn in small steps every day. You don't need books. You just need to be creative. The secret is consistency, not perfection. Thank you for joining me in this episode. I hope you feel inspired to practice English every day, even if you're busy. You're doing an amazing job just by being here and listening. Keep going. You've got this. If you like this episode, please follow the podcast and share it with a friend. See you next time in episode 3, where we'll talk about the most common mistakes beginners make and how to fix them. Bye for now.
Study smart, because the world understands those who speak well.